I gave this garage a good swift kick to the nuts, purging and getting rid of a whole bunch of stuff. And one thing I did was upgrade my hi-fi out here in the garage. I love jamming in the garage and working in my man cave. This is the Dayton Audio Sub 1500 150 watt powered subwoofer. This was a great purchase. This thing has some beastly lows, and I got it turned way down. Yesterday I kicked it up, and I tell you, both garage doors, everything just freaking rattling. That thing has got some punch. This is another thing I bought this past spring with some garage money. I got a Amazon Echo and a Yamaha natural sound receiver. This is their latest model, Yamaha. This thing is really great receiver. It's got every kind of input you'd ever want. And what I'm showing you here are the cooling vents on the underside for the heat sink. There's a USB in the front. I'm just kind of going all over the place here, but what I'm using is this Cooler Master laptop computer cooling stand that blows air up. But what I'm doing here is I'm sucking air out of the top of the receiver to pull the heat out. That's blowing up right there, exhausting all the hot air in the receiver, trapped air. It works out really well. Alright, so all I wanted to do was switch gears here and show you a few things in my man cave. And that converted deep freezer to a refrigerator, that thing is working out great. Alright guys, hey, thanks for watching and hope you have a great weekend. See you later.
Going out somewhere.